Wagwan, my friend. How you guys doing today? Thank you for clicking on the video. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I have just a simple and easy salmon recipe. I cleaned it up with some oil and lemon. Then I seasoned it up. I'll put all the seasoning in the description box. And I put it in my air fryer on 375 for 15 minutes. I had it set for 25 minutes, but I only did 15 minutes. I wanted the skin to be nice and crispy. That's why I set it for 25 minutes, but I didn't do that. So that was it. I seasoned it up and it came out really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.